Hello and welcome. I am Vishwajit Gautam and you are seeing CBSE and CISE class videos 360 channel. In this video, we solve the remaining numericals of exercise 3Z and factorization of polynomials chapter of class 9th math. I hope you will be able to solve the numericals of these types easily. If you like the video, so please like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon button for more updates and share with your friends. Let's start. 23rd question is prove that a plus b plus c whole cube equal to whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube equal to 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. So this equal to this हमें प्रूव करना है. So solution is a plus b plus c whole cube is written as a plus b and plus c whole cube. a प्लस बी को ब्रैकेट के इनसाइड क्लोज कर लिया एंड सी को ब्रैकेट को बाहर स्मॉल ब्रैकेट को बाहर, देन जो पहले लिखा है वही अभी भी लिखा हुआ है. एंड नाउ वी अप्लाई दी फॉर्मूला x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस 3xy इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई. This is x and this is y. So a plus b whole cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into c into x plus y. So a plus b plus c and a plus b whole cube. This is also this form, so applying formula. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b and c का inside multiply. So a plus b into c and c into c square and this is written as a cube plus b cube plus c cube को हम साथ में लिख लेंगे and plus 3ab into a plus b plus 3 into a plus b into and c का ब्रैकेट के इनसाइड मल्टीप्लाई. सो c a plus bc plus c square and a cube plus b cube plus c cube and taking 3 into a plus b कॉमन, a प्लस बी यहाँ पर भी. सो ए बी here is remaining and plus c a plus bc plus c square a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b and taking a common in these two terms, so a into b plus c, taking c common in these two terms, so c into b plus c and a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b and taking b plus c common in these two terms, So b plus c into a plus c, and this is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. So transpose these terms to the left hand side. So a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube and 3 into a plus b into b plus c, and a plus c is written as c plus a. So this hence proved. So ये proved हो गया and this is our answer. 24 numerical is a comma b comma c are all non-zero and a plus b plus c equal to 0. Prove that a square upon bc plus b square upon ca plus c square upon ab equal to 3. ये हमें prove out करना है. And we know if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a q plus b q plus c q equal to 3abc, and here is 1, and after cross multiplication, so a plus b plus c upon a b c, and this is equal to, जब कुछ नहीं होता उस केस में 1 होता है. So here is 1 and separating 3abc in this numerator, so aq and upon 3abc. सॉरी मैंने यहाँ पे 3 भी ले लिया है, यहाँ पे इक्वल टू 3 चाहिए था, सो हम 3 को नहीं लेंगे अपॉन में. यहाँ पर 3 आएगा क्योंकि हमने 3 अपॉन में नहीं लेंगे. एंड सो ए क्यू अपॉन ए बी सी प्लस बी क्यू अपॉन ए बी सी एंड सी क्यू अपॉन ए बी इक्वल टू 3. एंड सो 1a से 1a कैंसिल आउट, सो a स्क्वायर अपॉन बी सी and b square b cancel out, so ca and c से c cancel out and 2c square बचेगा and upon ab equal to 3. So this is our answer and hence proved. 25 numerical is if a plus b plus c equal to 9 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 35. Find the value of aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. So here is given a plus b plus c equal to 9. So squaring both sides, so a plus b plus c square whole square equal to 9 square, and applying formula a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca and 9 square 81, and a square plus b square plus c square is what? 35. So replace with 35 and taking 2 common. in these three terms, taking 2 common. So 2 into AB plus BC plus CA equal to 81, and 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11 minus 5, 6 and 7 minus 3, 4, 46. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 46 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 23. And we know AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, and A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square, and taking negative common in these three terms, so minus AB plus BC plus CA, and putting A plus B plus C equal to 9, and A square plus B square plus C square equal to 35 minus AB plus BC plus CA equal to 23. So 9 into 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So 12 into 9, 108. So this is our answer. After watching this video, you will be able to solve the numericals of these types easily. So stay tuned and best of luck.